Hi, this video is to show you another body-worn camera we've been working with recently. Right, so this one is the former VisaView body-worn camera that is using a Qualcomm SoC and Android operating system. Right, and this one is using a MediaTek SoC, also running a Android operating systems. Right, so we can see the form factor of this one is a bit smaller than the previous one, but a little bit thicker. Right? Okay, yeah, so first of all, it got a 2K video, but now we're only using 720p and 1080p for the testing. There are also, I think it's a white light LED at the front. There are several functional keys that we can configure to make integrations with NX. For example, there's SOS button, which we can use to send generic events to the embedded NX server. The other functional keys, we can use them, for example, to create a bookmark or to trigger other NX server API. There's also a push-to-talk button, meaning we can integrate our partners' SIP-based push-to-talk applications to the device, right? And I would say one of the big differences is there is a touch panel right here, and since it's running Android, so it's pretty simple to connect to the local Wi-Fi. If you have a 4G SIM card, or I think this one is a 4G model. If you have a 4G SIM card inside, of course, it will connect to the internet directly. If you don't have one, like what I'm doing right now, you can just simply connect it to your local Wi-Fi SSID, right? So it's pretty simple to connect to the network for the testing. Okay, so same as the dash camera, we have developed a streaming application. So if we click on that, the device will start the streaming and then give the strings to the embedded NX server. So you can see that. So that's the front part of the video, and this is the back part of another cameras, right? So we can use it as the secondary camera. If we don't need it, I think we can just disable it. Okay, let's see how it works. Right. So since we have the NX server installed in the body-worn camera, so it's pretty simple. If we connect it to the internet, we can find it in your NX desktop client dashboard. Right. So this one is the body-worn camera. Kintop is the manufacturer's name. Apparently this is my first time connect to it. Yeah, we've been running different testings. So let's see. Yeah, so that's the video streams we're getting from the body-worn camera. Let me take a look. The resolution right now is 720p, right? So we're doing different streaming testing. This one is 720p, right? And you can see that it's an NX server running in the body-worn camera, so it starts to, automatically look for the available IP camera in my home systems, right? So there's a like a VCA NXE cameras right here, so we can find it. Right, there are also like the secondary strings right here, right? So this is the secondary string. Okay. So actually, it's just like running a camera connected to NX servers with one channel, and it's very easy to configure. You just go to the NX setting the first time, connect to the Wi-Fi. You can log in locally, and then just as the way you are using other NX systems, you just come here to the NX Cloud, connect the system to NX Cloud, right? Then you should be able to see it at your NX desktop client landing page, right? It's very simple. Okay, so it's a quick introductions about the body-worn camera. Once we've done integrations for generic events, bookmark, push-to-talk, we'll share more information. Okay, thank you.